2013 Chevy Silverado Ltz 4x4. I want to do a quick video walk around on this truck. We just got this truck in. It's a one owner, zero accident truck. It does have 182,000 miles on it, which that's why most people will just automatically write this truck off, but it is in just exceptional shape. Having that one owner history, you know it's all been highway miles, just somebody that just got in the truck and just put the miles on, but it's clearly been very well maintained. It runs and drives fantastic, has no rust on it, just is way above average condition, sitting on Michelin tires, fully decked out. Of course, being LTZ, you get most everything, but this one's got every single optional feature as well. So it's got dual power heated and cooled seats and sunroof and nav and all that type of stuff. So just gonna try and do a quick video walk around, go a little bit more in depth on this one, and show you exactly what it is. So moving up here to the front, one nice addition this truck does have is a nice chrome bull bar on the front, so it gives you that super cool look, as well as that a little bit of extra protection. Overall, the front end is in very nice shape. Headlights are still in good shape. Some light rock chipping, but nothing major for sure. Just a little bit of road usage that shows. Does have the nice bug chip guard right here that helps protect that front clip. And down low, everything is in very nice shape. The truck is black. It's the black ebony color, so just a very lovely gloss black color, really sharp here in the sun. Going down this passenger side, just very, very clean. Some light rock chips like this, but nothing major. No major dents or scratches. Just a little bit of light usage, for sure. It's a truck and it's been used, but it's far from abused or banged up or anything. Like I said, this truck just does not have any rust on it. You peel these back as best you can. You can't peel them back too far. No rust, and you put your hand behind, no rust. This was an Oklahoma truck, so that speaks to it even more. So it's got the history to help support it, as well as you look underneath. You look at this is just such a common place. They have added the nice fender flares to help protect those, but just no bubbling. You don't feel anything, no rot, no nothing. So that's what's the best part about this truck. So hood is in nice shape, no hail or crazy things going on there. Looking down this driver's side, it's in good shape as well. And once again, just some real light little rock chips like that, but nothing major, nothing that a little bit of touch up wouldn't for sure take care of. You're just very, very straight all the way down. Looking down low here, it's not all rock chipped out or anything like that. Once again, no rust at all. Feels very solid, nothing going on. So that's great. Does have a tow package, does have the backup camera and parking sensors as well. Has these nice chrome tube tie down bar right there. Sitting on the nice 18-inch chrome wheels, almost new Michelin tires, all the way around. Just once again, that just shows what type of owner it is when they put Michelin tires on a 180,000 mile truck. Just really, really greatly improves the ride and just really sets the truck up nicely. We'll go ahead and jump on the inside here. Once again, being LTZ, it's just going to come with everything on it. This one's the black perforated leather. Just overall very, very clean. No major splits or anything like that. Just shows a little bit of light creasing right here on this center section. This is the worst spot of the truck. Kind of tells me it was probably a one-man truck. The rest of the seats just don't show and weren't used much at all, doesn't look like. And then it does have one little about 2-inch long crack right here, but it's not bad at all. So overall, much above average seat, even with the truck with half the mileage. So that's great. Like I said, of course, all power locks and windows, power folding turn signal mirrors, so that's nice as well. Heated and cooled seats. That's not standard on LTZ, so this one does have that. Automatic headlights, of course, shift on the fly 4x4. Clean and clear dash, of course. Just runs really strong down the road. Mechanically, cosmetically, truck does not show the mileage at all. We'll do a quick key cycle here. Get the glare out of here. Sun's beating right down on me. Just everything right in the zone. No lights on the dash, of course. Nothing crazy going on. So one other nice thing is, I'll pull this paperwork off. Dash is in great shape as well. As you know, this generation is pretty bad about cracking, and this one doesn't have any noticeable cracks really at all, hardly. So it's way above average there for sure. Of course, navigation does have a backup camera. Once again, not a standard feature on LTZ for this model year, and so that's a nice addition. Does have AM, FM, CD radio, does have AUX and USB inputs, Bluetooth to talk on your phone. It's pretty well fully decked out with all that type of stuff. Dual automatic climate controls, does have a full sunroof in it, which of course works just fine. That's a very rare thing you see on this generation truck. They just didn't put a sunroof in a lot of these, so that's a super nice thing. Jumping into the back seat here, the back seat doesn't look like it's hardly ever been used. It's just way above average condition. Nice perforated leather, very well above average. These do pop up to provide full cargo space, and the carpets are all in great shape, everything. So and the passenger rear seat is in good shape. Just doesn't show any signs of wear at all on these back seats, just nothing. So, and the passenger side seat, once again, a heated and cooled power seat, just super nice. All the perforations are in good shape. You know, once again, just a little bit of light scuffing on the seat, but just hardly anything. I'll go ahead and pop the hood so we can take a look under there. This, of course, has the 5.3 Vortec V8, just a bulletproof engine, very powerful. Moves these truck right down the road. Pretty fuel efficient, rated at 21 miles per gallon on the highway. Very straightforward and clean under here. Just very, very stock and clean engine bay. No leaks. No crazy things going on under here. That's always nice to see, especially on a truck. You know, there's no aftermarket wires or aftermarket units going on under here. Just very, very clean and straightforward. So if this truck is of interest, I encourage you to get in contact with us. It's Brad and Miles Beckman here at Eagle Care Autos in McPherson. Brad, he's my dad. He's the owner. We're just a small family shop. We've been here about 20 years. So this truck is just much above average condition. I just really can't say enough about it. You know, so many people are going to just automatically write this truck off just because of the mileage, but that's why I like to do these videos. Pictures and information and just data don't do enough on a used vehicle, I don't think. When you start getting into higher mileage vehicles like this, you know, for these trucks, it's not high mileage for the year, it's above average, but I just want to explain that just because a vehicle has high mileage doesn't mean it's you know, not good to be owning. You know, it's almost better when you have above average mileage, because then you know it was just put on the road a lot. You know, a lot of highway mileage. You know, if people are using their vehicles every day and are on the road a lot, they're very good about maintenance and all that. And this one just clearly shows. Once again, being a one-owner truck and all that, it's just very, very nice. So feel free to get on our website, get on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube. You can find everything about us there, and feel free to get in contact at your convenience. So thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to the opportunity to serve you in whatever way we can.